Favorite season for seafood. I have Old Bay here, perfect for seasoning. Got some baggy and garlic powder, perfect. I'm gonna be using minced garlic too. So, and I have here some natural spice. This is spice. I just like a little bit of heat in my seafood, so this is spice from the African store that I go to shop to. So, and my all time favorite, this lemon pepper is the key to a perfect seafood. So I love it. And I have here my adobo. You cannot do anything without adobo. It's like a Cajun season. It's like for everything. So you cannot do anything without adobo. But the main the main season here is Old Bay, and you can use just Old Bay, and it has salt in there. So be careful of what you're gonna be putting in your food. You don't want it to be salty. So get closer. Let's. And once oil season in there, you can start to wrap your seafood. I'm gonna go in with my crabs first, and my corn. Add my eggs. Go ahead and add my shrimps. My seafood to let it cook, and we're gonna get back on this time. I'm gonna let it cook, and now I can start making my seafood sauce, my butter sauce. So let's start making my seafood boil sauce. So let's get into it. All done. All done. So I have my pan getting hot. I have here 8 ounces of butter, which I'm gonna be using everything. So and it's advisable to use unsalted butter. But I'm using salted butter because that's what I have. I didn't realize I didn't have unsalted butter. So careful with your salt because you're using salted butter. If you're gonna do it, just use unsalted butter. Thank you. And
So everything's small, right? And you got 30 friends. And what else?
once the butter is melted, I can go ahead and add spicy well. This is my mint garlic. This is my favorite brand to buy. So this is what I'm using. And I'm using the fine, a little bit minced one with no liquid. So I'm gonna use like 2 teaspoons of this and a little bit more of the.
There's my dog boy, there's my dog boy. I love him.
And with seafood, you can add as much as you can add. You can add as much garlic you can add because it's highly recommended in making this sauce. So I'm gonna go ahead and add up more of my spicy wild minced garlic and let it cook for 5 minutes.
Okay, that piece.
And you can add in more butter if you need it. I'm gonna add in my chili pepper paste. This is an Italian made. It's made from Italy, and I like it so much. I'm just gonna put a dab. Hi, my love. What are you eating? John, what did you give it? The garlic has been cooking for 5 minutes. You can add in your onions. What's the matter? Johnny still is in his shoes since morning. Hi. Uh-oh. You want to sit on mommy's legs? Oh, beam. And there is my chef baby. Say hi. Ma. Okay. That's my chef baby coming to watch what mommy doing. It looks yummy, right? It looks yummy. Give mommy a kiss. Can you give mommy a kiss? No, you cannot touch it. Can you give mommy a kiss? Mwah, I love you. Mwah. Seafood. You want to eat seafood? I know you love shrimp, so. Uh-oh. Why did I pick you up? Uh-oh. John, please come here. You want to go down? Oh, oh. And go ahead and add in my obey. More garlic. Go get your car. Okay, I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna pick you up.
Mama, go to the garden, John.
Oh, you guys gonna water the garden?
Go, quick.
That's nice.
John, go to the garden. Come on, come with Daddy. John, John, come on. Let's go. Okay, come on. Let's go. Come on, son. Come on. Come on.
I'm gonna add a little water. You can add like 3/3 cups of water, So and this is very quick, easy, and simple sauce to make, and tastes amazing. And on the other side, our seafood is coming to a boil. Woo! Spicy food, so I'm going in with the pepper flakes.
Who's that? That's Daddy. Who's that? Uncle Dave. Tasha. That's Mommy. Superhero. Mommy's one.
Oh, what's going on? I just went up. What happened today?
Maybe we didn't have any else. Just walk by.
No matter what, you have to check.
Oh, maybe she was. That's the boyfriend.
Even if you're blind, you see the meal.
Oh my God. You see them, right?